Ever dreamed of turning your passion for fashion into a thriving clothing brand? Ever wondered how a simple idea can bloom into a fashion empire that captures the hearts of people worldwide? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to a journey that stitches dreams into reality, where creativity meets commerce and where your unique vision takes center stage. Are you ready to discover the secrets of crafting your own clothing brand, from the first spark of inspiration to the triumphant runway of success? Let's unravel the threads of creativity and entrepreneurship together, exploring the exciting world of starting your own clothing brand from scratch. Get ready to design, sew, and conquer the fashion world, one stitch at a time. Welcome to a transformative journey where dreams weave into reality and creativity knows no bounds. Today, we embark on a heartfelt exploration of starting your clothing brand from scratch, merging practical experience with genuine emotions. In this video, we'll delve deep into the art of e-commerce, infusing every step with passion and authenticity, while exploring a plethora of platforms, software, and websites that will guide you in crafting a brand that resonates with the world. So let's dive in. Section 1: Finding your creative pulse. Every thread, every stitch, carries a piece of your soul. Before the garments take shape, find your creative pulse. Seek inspiration in the world around you, from the rustling leaves to the vibrant city lights. Pinterest, a treasure trove of ideas, will be your ally here, helping you curate mood boards that reflect your vision. Dive into platforms like Behance and Dribble, where creative minds share their work, sparking new ideas and pushing the boundaries of design. Before we dive deeper into the creative wonders of starting your own clothing brand, let's talk about the essential tools that will pave the way for your journey. Picture this: you have a vision, a design that's just waiting to come to life. To transform your ideas into wearable art, you need the right instruments. First up, the heat press machine for t-shirts. This marvel isn't just a piece of equipment, it's the bridge between your imagination and reality. With its precision and efficiency, it ensures your designs are flawlessly imprinted, making your creations stand out in the crowd. Next on our list is the sewing machine, the heartbeat of every fashion atelier. This ingenious device empowers you to bring your fabric to life, stitch by stitch. It's not just a machine, it's your trusted companion, helping you craft garments that reflect your passion and style. With the sewing machine by your side, you have the freedom to experiment, innovate, and create designs that resonate with your soul. But hold on, we're not done yet. Every artist needs a toolkit, and for a budding fashion entrepreneur, a sewing kit with a case is an indispensable treasure trove. Packed with an array of needles, threads, and accessories, it's your arsenal for fine-tuning your creations. This compact kit is not just about convenience, it's about attention to detail, ensuring that every stitch, every button, and every seam is perfect. And guess what? I've made it even easier for you. You can find the links to purchase these essential tools in the description box below. So, let's gear up, click those links, and embark on this incredible journey together. Your dream clothing brand is just a click away. Section 2: Designing your masterpieces. With your inspiration as a guiding star, let your designs breathe. Adobe Illustrator, a powerful tool, is your canvas. Feel the rush as your sketches transform into digital masterpieces. Remember, each design tells a story. Make it bold, make it unique, and let it echo your passion. Don't forget platforms like Canva, offering user-friendly design tools for those just starting, ensuring your vision translates seamlessly into visuals. Section 3: Crafting with love and precision. In the heart of your studio, magic happens. Feel the texture of the fabrics, let them speak to you. Your hands, guided by love, transform these fabrics into pieces of art. Invest in a reliable sewing machine like those featured on sewing.com. They will be your companions in this beautiful journey, ensuring each stitch resonates with precision and care. Explore websites like Mood Fabrics, a treasure trove of fabric options, where your creative visions can find the perfect material to come to life. Section 4: Building your digital storefront. Now, it's time to showcase your creations to the world. Shopify, with its intuitive interface, will be your ally in creating a seamless online store. Personalize your storefront, let it reflect the essence of your brand. WooCommerce, an open source plugin for WordPress, empowers you to customize your website, ensuring it mirrors your passion and creativity. Don't overlook Etsy, a platform catering to artisans, where your unique creations can find a loving audience. Section 5. Nurturing your brand through social media. Your brand is not just a label, it's a conversation. Dive into the vibrant world of social media. Instagram, with its visual appeal, allows you to showcase your designs in all their glory. Facebook groups, like the ones found on fashionnetwork.com, provide a platform to connect with fellow designers and enthusiasts. Engage, inspire, and let your brand's voice be heard. Buffer, a social media management tool, simplifies your posting schedule, ensuring your content reaches your audience at the perfect moment. Section 6. Embracing challenges and cultivating resilience. The path of an entrepreneur is lined with challenges, they are the stepping stones to growth. When faced with hurdles, remember the supportive community of platforms like Reddit's Entrepreneur subreddit. Connect with mentors on platforms like LinkedIn, their wisdom will light your way. Embrace failures as lessons, for in each setback, there's an opportunity to rise stronger and wiser. Consider using tools like Slack, fostering communication within your team, transforming challenges into collaborative solutions. As we conclude this inspiring journey, remember that your creativity knows no bounds. With passion as your compass and determination as your guide, you can turn dreams into garments and ideas into iconic designs. Each of you possesses the power to redefine fashion and leave a lasting imprint on the world. I encourage you to like, subscribe, and share this video, and most importantly, comment below about what you'd love to learn more. Your feedback fuels our creativity, just as your dreams fuel your journey. Together, let's continue this beautiful odyssey of creativity and innovation. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep shining. Your future in the world of fashion is limitless. Stay inspired. Subscribe this channel for more glow up, skincare, and put together videos.